Guys, I have this monkey behind me and I'm taking her to Smith Hill Park so I can leave this monkey. But look, can you see that's what she does to me all the time, guys. I cannot sit right in front of her. This is what she does to me all the time. Where are we going? Going. Which park are we going to? The monkey sister. There, over there, guys. This is the monkey sister. And mummy's driving. I'm chilling today, guys. So we will update you guys. Guys, we have finally arrived into what park is it? Smith Hill Park. Guys, dirty sort of day. It's gonna be all messy. So yes, guys, as you can see, guys, this is what Coco and Jojo's gonna go on. Yes. Guys, we have finally arrived into the Smith Hill farm and our day begins here, guys. Coco, you ready? Jojo, where are you going? Hey? What are they doing? Oh, he's looking at isn't it? Where's the cow?
Yeah.
Where's the cow? Oh yes, there. Cows are there. Anaya, you get yours here, alright? You're right up there. Let's go. Guys, where are we going? Where are we going first? Wow, let's go this way. So this is what we are going to be doing today, all right? We're going to Pets Corner. We're going to milk the cows. Tractor. Then we've got donkey rides. And we've got meet the zoo's own animals. Hey? Yes, let's have a look. This is the timing. Oh, look at them. No. Say hello, say hello. Yes. Hello. Wow, he's saying hello to you. Let me see yours, Jojo. Yes, it says you are a wage. And what does that say? It says you are Wednesday.
That does not actually.
And yours says Jack the Skeleton. Oh, look at that.
They're beautiful.
Coco, here you go. Your food is here. No?
You can't feed the horses or the donkeys, okay?
Why?
There you go, Mummy.
Because that's what you're not to feed, the horses and the donkeys.
Handful.
Yeah, not a handful, obviously. You're just going to feed them a little. They're cute. They're so cute. Go on. Let's feed them. Mummy, you feeding it? Oh, guys, we're coming back in 10 minutes. Hello. Are you talking to Donkey? Hello, my mate. Oh, he just looked back at me when I said hello, my mate.
Thank you. This side of Wigan,
Yeah, you can. Who wants to ride a donkey? Jojo?
You have to be tall. You have to be that tall.
Donkey ride height. Yeah, Mummy can do it.
I can do it too.
Go on. Go. Yeah, go on. Oh my god. Go on. Ah, he's gonna come out.
Do you want to do it?
Go on, Jojo, you do it. Do it, Mummy. Go on, do it, Mummy. You just bit your finger? No way. Let me see.
Oh, it's red.
Oh, you're alright.
Can I have a
And we are going all the way to the top, where we're gonna see all the cows and how they get milked and everything. All right, you go.
Yeah, they've been here before.
Have you been here before?
I remember.
Yeah, but Georgia's not been here before. Go, go, Jojo, go. Go, go, go. Oh, he's not going to be happy because he's got his eyes out. Come on, guys. Oh, you can't feed them. There we go, the bad boys here.
Can you feed them one?
Let Alfie sit down as well. Bunny's here, guys. Guys, this is how the cows get milked. Honestly, it's such an amazing experience, isn't it? Yeah, you don't. Hey?
Where do you get the milk from?
That's how they get the milk.
It sucks all the milk out.
Is that how many liters? Or it's going to tell them how many liters that they're going to get out? Yeah. So guys, these cows are going to get milk and we're going to find out how many liters each cow is going to give. Even it will tell you here how many liters each cow. So you can see the first one has started. Yeah, it's not even a liter yet. Let's see how. Yes, darling. Guys, look, they all are going down. No, 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 no. This one has given 0.27. So I don't know how many liters is that. Yeah. Oh, so yeah, that's 3.2. Sorry, my bad. So that's 3 liters so far, guys. This one is a bad one. This one has given 3.4 liter, guys. Yeah. And this one is almost done, as you can see. Look, it's empty. This one is all empty, guys. Yes, all the milk is going over there, yeah. Guys, it's time for them to go and the new ones are waiting, guys. This is an absolute beautiful process, you know. Look at them, they're ready to go. He's messing. Oh my God. There's more cows coming. Oh my God, what are they doing? Yes, mate, what's going on? Guys, so we've got 9.3 litre and 9.1 litre from these two. Let's see who's gonna win. Left or right, guys, left or right. 9.4, 9.6. 9.7, 9.6. These are the one who's actually doing more than all of them. So we got 9.8 and 10 litre. Yes. 10.2. So 10.2 and 9.8. 10.5. These two are going on strong, guys. No, that's how they kick him off. Look. Guys, they're kicking him off themselves. 11 litre and he's the winner. Guys, this is where they make the milk.
Are you ready? You see the milk?
Guys, some of these are actually very naughty, you know. They've all been milked and it's just the other side that is gonna get milked, guys. Which one? Oh my God. Coco, where are you going? Yay, Jojo, I finally fed them.
Like that.
Oh, I need
Look
to
at
feed
that.
I need to feed that baby.
What are you?
Are you doing it?
There you go. Jojo, feed them.
Like that. Hold on. Like that.
I'll hold your hand. Come here. Come on. Give him quick time.
Give me a lick.
You tickle your hand. All you do is tickle your hand. He won't bite. He won't bite. Go.
And ponies. Like the ponies and the horses and the cows and the
Well, let's have a look. The sheep. Oh, they're my favorite, aren't they? Yeah. Oh, he's looking for some food. Do you want to give him some food?
They're cute.
They are cute. Do you want to give him some food?
Do you want to have some food?
Oh, this one wants some food. No, the other one wants some food.
Get some food.
There you go. There you go.
Feed them.
Give it to them. You give it to them.
No,
There you go.
feed them. The ponies and the horse.
The ponies and the horses are your favorite. What about these ones here? Your hand, that's all. Come on, mommy's gonna have. Go on.
Right. Do that. And put your hand like that.
Yeah, guys, look at this. Is he tickling you?
Like, yeah, do it again. Straight.
He's tickling you. Jojo, go, go, go. Jojo, go, 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 go. Jojo, go.
Can I get some?
Hello, mate. Ooh, what's that? Hello, pal.
He's trying to lick out.
Yeah, he's a bad one.
Maybe they're nice, but he's bad. Maybe that's why he's by himself.
He's not leaving you. He's not leaving you. Hey, Anna, go and feed that one. George, are you feeding them all?
Yeah, she's doing really well. Good girl, Luna. Amazing.
Actually, great. I feel bad.
Go on,
Can you
Sean.
feed them?
Yeah. Go on.
Oh, God.
Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on.
I'll do
Can
it.
you?
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be really good.
Go on, Alf.
Like that, I'll put your hand out. Like that. Oh,
Yeah, don't touch him. He's a bad one.
He's trying to get the bag.
The family, and she's just 2 years old. Now we've got a family of 4, and Eurasian eagle owls are one of the biggest owls in the world. Now, as she comes around the room, if you'd like to stroke Apollo, you're going to stroke nice and gently from her head to her tail, and
Here we go. Yes. Aww.
Stroking.
Aww. Thank you.
3 weeks old, but already
Oh,
they're
he's
growing
beautiful.
in their holes. And you're able to see on the top of the head of her.
You're having both of them what?
Push all of their hairs into their own direction. And actually,
Oh my God, you're having both of them?
both grow horns.
No, what about the cheeks?
If it's just the boys,
And
the
then
boys are
all
usually
the
just slightly bigger.
There we go. Thanks so very much. Aww.
Would you quit eating?
Next, baby, we're going to be eating
Aww.
a close relative of our sheep. We're going to be one of our young baby.
Aww. Look at him. He's beautiful. Go, 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 go.
Now, this one with me
Oh, look at
is
them.
a little girl. Her name is Trick. And then with Jen is a little boy, and his name is Treat. Now, as we come around 3 months old, and as she comes around the room, you're only going to stroke her down the side of her neck, okay? And the same rule goes for our alpaca who is following it behind. This is Lindor, she's a little girl, and she's very similar in age. And now, a question we get asked really commonly here at the farm is women is what covers their body. You'll notice that our alpaca fleeces are super thick and woolly,
Look at it.
filled up into coils.
Really sad.
Aww. Go on.
Farmers on the other hand, actually is full fleece.
Oh, George is stroking him.
It's actually much finer, and that's why we
Aw.
don't shoot it. They can shed it out.
Yeah?
It
Georgia, was he soft?
The other one's coming.
And that's why they share a lot of similarities. Now, the main difference between them is easiest to tell apart.
Oh. Anna, do you want one?
No.
I should do that, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, please, yeah.
Sit on your lap, sweetheart.
Oh, yes.
Go.
Oh. Wow. Oh, he's happy there. Oh. Hold him, yeah, I'm gonna make a video. Oh, guys, they are cute, aren't they?
So these two are actually still quite young, even though they're already pretty huge.
Aww.
They've actually still got a lot of growing left to do. They're going to grow to be the second biggest bird in the world, second only to the ostrich. And they're from the same family as the ostrich.
No, 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 no. Go, go, go. Georgia, go.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, look. Just the neck. Thank you so much. Coco, do you want one as a pet? Yeah.
I'm having all the pets.
She's having all the pets, yeah.
Okay. I want to hold a rabbit. It's fast.
Wow, he's so happy there.
Do you want to rabbit? Do you want to stop?
I think he wants to kiss you.
I want to that.
No, she's gonna drop it. She's gonna drop it.
Mommy, hold it.
We have washed our hands and now we drying them. So we have first all the different animals.
I want to stay with the animals.
Alright, you can stay with the animals. Hey.
Look what it's getting out.
Oh, we've got the guinea pig. Oh.
That lady can take this one back. I have one of them.
Do you want me to put that one back?
No.
On. Coco, can you see? He's big. Wow.
Is it real?
That is real.
He can swallow anything. You can tell by his body size. Do you know what I mean? You can tell by his body size. He can swallow anything. Oh, he's coming out. He's coming out. Here, here. Yeah. Here, he's coming out. He's coming out. He's going back again. He's going back again. He's shy. He's here. He's here. He's here. He's here.
Oh, he's so beautiful.
Excuse me. Ooh, look at him. He's hungry. He's looking for something, you know, yeah?
I found something else that is like that.
What did you find?
Mommy.
What is it? Oh, you found this one.
That's what Mummy had. Misha, we had Misha and Tommy. He's a big boy.
What does he eat?
Insects and fruit.
Insects and fruit. Let's find him. He must be here somewhere.
him.
Oh, he's over there. Oh,
It's a snake.
he's a pink one.
A pink snake. Daddy,
Guys, what does he eat?
Mommy.
He eats mice, small birds, and eggs.
Pink. I found pink snake.
She found.
Really?
Can you see anything?
No. It might
Nothing?
Be, wait, it might be in the skull.
Oh, there's another snake here somewhere. Oh, ball python, you know.
A
It's gotta be.
python.
Where is he? Let's find him. Let's find him. Oh, he's over there. What does he eat?
He eats.
Plants and vegetation. Oh no! What's that girl doing inside?
What even is this? I don't think there is anything in that
I think she's the animal.
I bet it's a green one somewhere hidden. Watch. Oh, there's a big one here. There's quite a few.
I can't see it.
He's here.
That's what Nana has.
Here he is.
That's what Nana has.
Yeah.
You can't sit on them. I don't think they want to
Yeah.
come out 'cause it's cold.
It's cold, yeah? He's looking at you. They both are looking at you. He's not happy, is he?
Oh, coming. It's going to have a bath. You, come. Oh, it's good to see you. Oh. You're in a bath, isn't it? Oh, it's so high up. Oh, it's in the water.
Where's all the meerkats? They're here. They're so cute, you know. Look at them.
Look, they're messing with the light.
Where? Oh, yeah, they were. Sean, they're messing with the light. Look, 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 look.
They're messing with the light.
Oh my god, they're so cute. Yeah. No, no, no. He's looking at something.
That one's climbing. That one's climbing. You probably, yeah.
He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. Watch, he's gonna jump.
No, he's trying to
They don't get
recover.
on there, you know.
Yeah. Look, they're messing with the light, you know, all of them.
That one.
Guys, what's in here?
The mice, birds, and eggs. You say it, Theo. Raccoons. Thought it would climb up there. It's okay.
All the way to the top.
Yeah, they're over there in the corner at the top. You see? You see it? There's black and white.
Ew. An absolute beautiful park. Honestly, I recommend this to every single one of you to basically come and enjoy. It's an absolute gorgeous place, you know. Jojo, is it good?
Yes. I'm still biting the bread.
Yes.
Doing
Are you guys ready?
Where we'll stop and you guys can feed the bread to the donkeys. So it's a donkey ride, so while we're moving, take that down. Hold on. Sorry.
Oh, all the donkeys are here. Oh, I think he's looking for some food, yeah.
Yeah, that one.
He's definitely looking for some food, Coco, isn't he?
Just keep track of it if you don't want it to be close.
Yeah. They're coming. Are they here? Oh, there they are. Give them some food. Yeah.
Is it eating?
He's gonna eat it, yeah.
Hey, hey, come here. Come here. I've got some for you. I've got some for you. There you go. Oh, the sound is living up.
What is he eating now? I think he's looking for Jojo to give him some more food.
And there's a night eating it.
Is he not?
Yeah.